Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the windshield wiper and the rear windshield wiper for a 2014 Toyota Prius. This is crazy easy, doesn't need any tools. Let's get into it. First step, a simple one. Actuate the arm, both of them, into a more workable position. So here's a close-up of our driver's side wiper blade. We're going to actuate it this way, push down on this little tang right here, just right there. Once that's depressed, move the whole body of the wiper blade down and away and off. It's that easy. Here's our brand new wiper blade, link down below in the description. And you might think, oh, this is quite a bit different, but it's not. It's still the J-hook style. So what we're gonna do is just actuate its little interaction piece here like this. And then you just put the hook on like that, and then just push it up and away until you hear it click. Now look, it doesn't fall off and you're good to go. And the driver side wiper blade is 26 inches. There's a link located down below in the description for it. Passenger side, exactly the same. Just take the wiper blade, move it up out of the way. Little tang right here. Just push that down. And the whole body of the wiper blade down and away. Just like that. So the passenger wiper blade is a 19-inch wiper blade, and the link is located down below in the description. So just take the body of it until it lines up with the J-hook, just like this, and then just pull it up and away from the car until it makes a nice clicking sound and can't come back off. And then just gently lower down your wiper arms. You have to do the passenger side first, and then the driver. Now let's go to the third one on the back. So these rear wiper blades often flummox people because they try to actuate the arm up to replace it, and there's something stopping it. The way you get around that is right here. You just bend these little tabs kind of out of the way on both sides and then flap it up, and then you can actuate the arm up. It's that simple. So on this wiper blade, the way you remove it is you just keep rotating it like this until it comes off. It's really easy. So take your new rear windshield wiper blade, link down below in the description, and make sure it says rear on the package so it'll come looking like this. And then you just kind of force it on there onto that hook, rotate it over like that. Then we're carefully going to lower the arm back down and replace the little cover, and you're all done. So that is how to change your rear windshield wiper and your front windshield wipers on a 2014 Toyota Prius. Easy is an understatement. You should not be paying anybody to do this for you. A mechanic can probably charge you at least 50 bucks to do this. This is crazy easy. Pull off into an AutoZone or something parking lot, take your windshield wipers off, put new ones on, or order them from Amazon with the link down below in the description. To the exact ones you'll need, slip them on, go through the rainy season just fine. Now, if you've replaced your wipers and they still go da-da-da-da-da-da over the glass, well, there might be a more systemic problem with your windshield wiper arm, and I did a whole video on that, and link is located down below in the description. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful or interesting at all, please consider becoming a member by clicking that join button down below as a direct way to help the channel out. Barring that, a like, comment, and subscription go a huge way and tells YouTube I did a good job, and I so appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.